Welcome back, dear students, to video number 5 for Standard 10, Geometry Chapter 7. We are discussing practice set 7.3. Question number 7. In the figure, radius of circle is 3.4 centimeters and perimeter of sector PABC is 12.8 centimeters. Find area of sector PABC. Now, according to given information, radius of circle is 3.4, perimeter of sector PABC is 12.8. Now, perimeter means this, just the border. So, this radius plus the length of the arc. And we know the radius and we know the perimeter. So, 12.8 is equal to 3.4 plus 3.4 plus length of arc ABC. This we do not know. So, from here I can find length of arc ABC is 12.8 minus 6.8. After adding this I get 6.8. So length of arc ABC is 6 centimeters. After I find this, I can find the area of sector by using the formula. Area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius upon 2. So that is 6 into 3.4 upon 2. My answer is 10.2 centimeters square. Question number 8. In the figure, O is the center of the sector. Angle ROQ is equal to angle MON is equal to 60 degrees. OR is 7 and OM is 21. Find lengths of arc RXQ and arc MYN. Take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. Let us start. For arc RXQ, radius OR is 7 centimeters and measure arc RXQ is equal to angle ROQ, which is theta, and the value is 60 degrees. And for arc MYN, radius R1 is OM 21 centimeters and measure arc MYN is equal to angle MON, theta is equal to 60 degrees. So let us find length of RXQ first. Length of arc RXQ is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So the values I'm going to substitute: 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. 7 gets cancelled. This is 1 upon 6. So I'm left with 44 upon 6. The answer is 7.3 centimeters. Now length of arc MYN is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r1. So 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. And I solve this, I get 22 centimeters. So write the final answer and let's move on to question number 9. In figure, if area of sector PABC is 154 centimeters square, radius of circle is 14. Find angle ABC and length of arc ABC. Let us start. Radius is given to us as 14. Area of sector APBC is, or area of sector PABC is 154 centimeters square. Now length of measure arc ABC is equal to angle APC is theta. So let's find theta first. Area of sector PABC is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. I'm going to substitute. 150 is equal to theta upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. So by rearranging, I get theta as 90 degrees. That means angle, first part I found out, angle APC is 90 degrees. Let's move to next. I'm going to use this formula. Area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius upon 2. So area of sector PABC is equal to length of arc ABC into r upon 2. This is known to me, 124. This I need to find out. So I'm going to keep it as it is, length of arc ABC into 14 upon 2. So this is 1s are 7s are 154. Length of arc ABC is 154 upon 7, which is 22 centimeters. So I found out both. Write them as final answer. And let's move to question number 10. Radius of a sector of a circle is 7 centimeters. If measure of arc of the sector is first 30 degrees, second 210 degrees, third 3 right angles, find the area of sector in each case. Let's start by writing given information. The radius of sector of circle is 7 centimeters. In the first case, measure of an arc of sector theta is 30 degrees. So substitute the value in the formula. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. 30 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. I get the answer as 12.83 centimeters square. The second one is theta is 210 degrees. So rest everything remains the same. Only thing is theta changes 210. So we solve this. I get 539 upon 6. And after rounding off, I get the answer as 89.83 centimeters square. In the third case also everything remains the same. The measure of the angle or the arc changes. 3 right angles means 3 multiplied by 90, which is 270. So in the place of theta, I'm going to write 270. I solve this and I get 462 upon 4, which is 115.5 centimeters square. So then we write the final answer. Question number 11. The area of a minor sector of a circle is 3.85 centimeters square and the measure of its central angle is 36 degrees. Find the radius of the circle. Now according to given information, area of minor sector is 3.85 centimeters square. Measure of its central angle theta is 36 degrees. So let its radius be r. Area of minor sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is 3.85 is equal to 36 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square. I rearrange and I get r square is equal to 3.85 into 10 into 7 upon 22. When I solve this further, I get r square as 12.25. By taking square root, r is 3.5 centimeters. So radius of circle is 3.5 centimeters. Question number 12. In the figure, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. If PQ is 14 and QR is 12, find areas of parts X, Y and Z. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. PQ is 14 and QR is 12. This is given information. Consider points M and N as shown in the figure. Parts X and Y are sectors. These are the arcs. So these are sectors. Now for part X, for this part, radius PQ is 14. Arc PM is angle PQM, which is 90 degrees. So area of part X will be theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. When I solve this further, I get it as 154 centimeters square. Now, PM is equal to QM. This is 14, so this is also 14. And QM plus MR is equal to QR. QM is 14 plus MR we don't know, and QR is equal to QR, which is 21. So from here I found out MR to be 7 centimeters. Now next, for part Y, radius MR is 7 centimeters. This angle is 90 degrees. So I get for area of part Y is theta 1 upon 360 into pi r1 square. So 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. I get the answer as 38.5 centimeters. Now area of rectangle, entire rectangle would be length into breadth. That is 21 into 14, which is 298 centimeters square. Now I want to find out this part. So this part would be the entire quadrilateral minus this minus this. So quadrilateral area of quadrilateral PQRS minus area of part X minus area of part Y. When I solve this, I get it. The answer is 101.5 centimeters square. So in this way, we have found area of part X, part Y and part Z. Next is triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. LM is 14 centimeters. As shown in the figure, 3 sectors are drawn with vertices at centers and radius 7 centimeters. First one, find area of triangle LMN, then area of any one of the sectors, then area of all 3 sectors, and then last, find area of the shaded portion. So let us start. Given to us is triangle LMN is equilateral. Consider these points X, Y and Z as shown in the figure. Now side of equilateral triangle LM is 14 centimeters. Area of equilateral triangle, the formula is root 3 upon 4 into side square. That is root 3 upon 4 into 14 square. Root 3 value I am going to take as 1.732. You need to remember this. So 1.732 upon 4 into 196. So 1.732 into 49. The answer, when I round it off, it is 84.87 centimeters square. So my first part is done. Let's move to second. Area of sector LXZ. This radius is given to me as 7. And the angle, we know it is an equilateral triangle. That means each angle is 60 degrees. So this angle is also 60 degrees. So I have area of sector LXZ is theta upon 360 into pi r square, which is 60 upon 360 into 22.7 into 7 into 7. When I solve this, I get the answer rounded off to 25.67 centimeters square. Now I know area of one sector. So area of 3 sectors would be, this is an equilateral triangle. Radius is the same. So just multiply. 3 multiplied by area of one sector, that is 77.01. Now fourth part is just the shaded part. If you see the entire circle, entire triangle area I know the area of all 3 sectors. So if I subtract all 3 sectors from the triangle, what is left is the shaded part. So that is what I'm going to do. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of triangle LMN minus total area of 3 sectors. So 84.87 minus 77.01. The shaded part is 7.86 centimeters square. Write the final answer. And with this, we end practice set 7.3. My dear students, please write these sums neatly in your notebook. Practice these sums. The problem set we will send to you. Solve that also in your notebook. And this is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.